like neuromarketing tools. I have a list of tools that will actually, help you with eye tracking. When it comes to neuromarketing, it is not only about hitting the right or left side of the brain. It is also the analytics part. So we have, like, if you talk about Commander is a, commandly. Then we have a list of eye tracking AI tools, which you'll open and you'll see that, you'll get to know where the eyes of the people are stuck. Then of course you have
Mm.
temperature, a lot of biometric apps, wherein, biometrics also, it catches your heart rate and everything. So this is also something that AI is doing. Again, AI is very powerful in its own sense. It can make neuromarketing, online neuromarketing labs. That is what I'm planning to do in future. So it can make those labs. You don't have to visit any places. People can come there in those labs. They can, give their feedbacks. They can be part of the research team. So it will really facilitate research also. So of course, if we take these two things apart, AI and neuromarketing will not reach anywhere. See, AI is taking over everything, not only neuromarketing, I think everything. So, in that sense, if it comes and collaborate together with neuromarketing, the combination is deadly. It is really strong. And I can also
Yes.
share with the audience, if you need later, I can share you the list of tools. It is really very helpful. You can actually, they have some free tools also, which you can integrate in your websites and everything. And you can make full use of it. We are also doing that for our websites. And uh, Microsoft has it, Google has it. There are G tags which work that way. So, of course, this is all AI only. Chat GPT has really, help us facilitate making messages. Making messages is become the easiest part, right?